hot summer, then it's unseasonably cold early, and now it's warming up again.
Nobody's satisfied.
Well, I mean, I don't mind it. It's just kind of strange.
Everybody talks about the weather, but nobody really does anything about it, right?
Or do something about it, Steve.
We'll try. They'd like to do.
Special.
They'd like to do something about it in Texas, of course. This is where they've had torrential rains, 15 feet deep in some areas. Abilene, Texas has been declared in a state of emergency and is asking for help from the National Guard. The town of Breckenridge, northeast of Abilene, is without power, telephones, or sewer service, and a lone telephone booth. No floodwaters around that. That's near Fresno State. Where are all the students who should be out calling home? Mom is waiting for that phone call. Get in that phone booth. 68 degrees in Fresno this afternoon. Still cold, 81 normally on this date, and the temperature last year was 77. Okay, Mariposa hit 62 today, 66 in Merced, 67 in Los Banos and Madera. Visalia hit 68. Tulare and Hanford both registered 69, and now we'll check the current readings. The temperature, 51 degrees, and it's going to get a lot colder. The dew point 35, the relative humidity 53%. Winds out of the northwest, about 4 miles an hour now. The pressure 30.03. It's moving upward, and particulates in the air, but not too many of them. The index number was 50 today. We'll call that good air. Breathing pretty good stuff out there this afternoon. Around the state we go, and we check out temperatures, and we find that a lot of 60s are on the map. 75 in Palm Springs, the only reporting station to get out of the 60s today. High clouds along the northern third of the state and all over the mountains, the Sierra, the Shasta-Siskiyou area, and all down the coastal range. The line of clouds runs down to about Bakersfield and Santa Barbara, and then it kind of clears off in the southern part of the state. That's statewide temperatures today. We'll see those clouds right now on our satellite view. Let's take a look at this one first. Weather in motion to get you an idea of where the clouds are going. Which direction are these clouds moving when you see weather in motion? They're moving counterclockwise. And now the next question, what does that mean? That means that there's a low pressure system here. Low pressure has winds revolving counterclockwise around it. Here's a still shot. We won't see these moving. But we can see the valley in here today. There are no clouds in this part of California, but the clouds over the mountains, all over, up and down the state, clearer towards the south, as I mentioned. Clear out here today. Cold air cumulus clouds out in here. Another little system out here, another front right over in there. That shouldn't be affecting us too much. Let's check it out now at 18,000 feet. Low pressure, centered over Nevada. That's the counterclockwise flow we talked about. The wind's coming down something like this. Look where this air is starting from now. It ends up here in California, but it's coming from way up here in Canada, in the Northwest Territories somewhere. And needless to say, that air is very, very cold. Well, here we got the nation today. Now, you saw all the pictures we showed you of Texas. They've had plenty of problems there. The rainfall is starting to move a little further towards the east. They've had tornadoes down there to go right along with all that rainfall today, and a frontal system that extends way up into Minnesota with some rain shower activity. Sunny skies out east today, some sunshine out here today. Light snow over the northern Rockies. San Francisco will be partly cloudy tomorrow. 52 tonight's low, the high tomorrow, 64 degrees. Los Angeles can expect clear conditions tomorrow after a low 55. Tonight they'll be warming all the way up to 72 degrees tomorrow. Central Coast areas, good weather, partly cloudy sky, 65 in Monterey, 69 in Santa Maria. We'll keep on the 60s. And up in the Sierra, variable clouds all over and cool. Take a look at the temperatures for yourself there. And for Fresno, we'll have variable high clouds, 42 tonight, 70 tomorrow, winds variable to 15. So we're going to get up to 70 tomorrow. We could make it all the way up to 80 by maybe the first part of next week. We don't even see any clouds in the forecast after the next couple of days.
I'll bet you the September and October utility bills will be low.
Yeah, they should be better.
Pretty low.
Very nice.
Okay, Steve. The C-stamp, designed for the new 20-cent first-class postage rate, went on sale today. The increase for the first-class rate goes into effect November 1.